times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls that...
Okay, so oh my god, all right, we could check in now. So we'll have TP just in case we need to post a letter.
What TP mean?
Toilet paper.
Oh,
We have our extension.
we
have
charger.
We have beetroot juice. We have the emergency bag pack in the trunk just in case we get
Bad news.
relegated. Relegated is a football term. Oh, you're not a sportsman.
Oh,
Wear my long sleeve, come and now make me freeze in that treatment room there.
I carry my
Blanket. So
We're off.
let's boogie.
Yeah.
And we have the savior.
We don't have the gabapentin.
Why do you need the gabapentin? Just in case the jaw hurt you?
Just in case the jaw start hurt.
Okay.
Call up grandma.
I'll get the gabapentin.
But we will be getting the gabapentin.
You gonna get the gaba?
Yeah.
Alright, you get the gabapentin.
What time? It is now 7:33.
We're late. Let's go. Oh, so Mr. Duncan, they say hi.
So don't come.
Hurry up. And we got the gabapentin.
The gabapentin.
Alright. So let's boogie. Alright?
Yeah.
All is well?
How is that?
So the count is up and it's time for chemotherapy. Feel ready? No. Don't be ready.
I'm going to go sleep.
You wanna go back and go sleep? Yeah, me. Oops! We need a car mount. But that's fine.
Technically still me not start my Easter break yet. But I'm gonna start it with the other children still because today is sports day, so technically it's still not
Easter break.
Easter break for everybody.
Yeah.
So except David.
David is already on break. David took an early break.
David go camping.
Oh, okay.
So
Alright. Well, officially tomorrow is Easter break, right?
right.
So tomorrow you're gonna be on Easter break and we're going back to school after that.
Sure, like a week again.
Yep, no problem with that, bro. Let's pray the count stay up so you can go back at time.
Yeah, because after this session 2 is
After today,
then
I just the filgastrum.
Filgastrum, which is a home injection.
Bro, the light.
The light.
No. So, guys, you know me just I think a while ago. So Rajesh said when I talk to adults, he have a different voice, right? So when I talk to adults, it's all standard English. It's
standard English and plus my voice get very shrill.
Your voice get very shrill
Yeah, it's
when
just
you're talking
get
to
very
adults.
shrill.
But so me an adult. Am I not an adult?
No,
How
because
come I don't
I'm
get
a
that?
best friend, so me not
Oh, I'm a bestie, man. I'm your bestie.
yeah, so my voice don't really.
Yeah, so
Sure.
you can give me a real voice.
Yeah.
So people, every time you talk to an adult and you hear the English chipping, I'm going to say, Tan, who the foreigner there? Yeah? Me have to laugh, man. Me have to laugh because I say, boy, Johnny not easy, you know. But I am so appreciative of the fact that, you know, we have this amazing relationship where him knows he can be himself around me regardless. But when I look at now is the evaluation of our relationship. Not evaluation. Is it evaluation? It has evolved. Our relationship has evolved. This young man went from, he never called me mommy, by the way. Never. I was never mommy like other people other look up children calling parents, and never got mommy. I got
Really?
MC. Rarely, like if I'm like a third party. Like yeah, we're like somebody else is there, right? But I went from MC. No, first it started at book socks. That when he just learn to talk, he just call me book socks. Don't know what that is, and he call me so.
We call it book socks.
Book socks. Then it went to MC, and it stayed at MC for a long time. And then it went to C, just C, because he drop off it, so then we just C. And then now we're at bro. Yeah? Yeah. That's where we're at now, guys. Bro. Bro this, bro that. Yeah. Occasionally I still get MC now.
MC
and C. And then if we're around other persons, then it is mommy. Yep. The evolution of Ajani and mommy continues. I love that though. I hope we. Oh, why looks that indicator? What is that? Oh my god. No, it's because the guy did the behind me. I think we just want him to know, say, they're gonna wear here instead of he thinks I'm gonna wear them. Yeah, but it's great. We have a wonderful bond, and I love our bond, and I pray that when I am old, you come and look for me with all your grandbaby, with all my grandbabies, and we still have a great relationship.
Of course, then the time that we're gonna have a helicopter, so we're just gonna pop in anytime.
Pop in with the helicopter.
Yeah.
Ooh, so I have to have a helipad then?
Yeah.
Damn. My life starts out like G-Wiz. Bro, G-Wiz. My life so sad out, but me not ready. But me not worry. Oh, my life so happy. No matter where them talk about. No move. Oh, nobody bad mind. Nobody mama tell me say. Go on, man. Sometimes I talk to him like a big people, because sometimes I think him need to know these the references, right? Millennials and some Gen Zs might be able to say, yeah man, we know that song there, yeah, we know that book reference there, we know that movie reference. So sometimes I have to still we have to get him accustomed, yeah? So he understands.
G-Wiz.
Yes, G-Wiz, man. G-Wiz, a Jamaican artist. He did sing that song there. Say my life soon sort out, and it becomes a anthem where everybody life soon sort out, yeah? So when we get my helipad, that's the time that my life sort out.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
And on that note, the car, what do you call this? Is it a car chronicle? The car chronicles head here. Look who came to visit us. Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, God.
I'm here. I can't see you sick, you know.
Man?
Yeah.
Not fine.
Oh.
Yes. Honestly, I give me a little trouble.
Oh. Cars. You know, say hi to Auntie. Cars not in a way.
You know, I wasn't telling me. Listen, when I know if I work in the field and see them, the world is look cry.
Look what? Oh.
I no matter.
It don't matter.
Oh. So you start back for what?
Yeah, well, at this point. But it's a serious man. What you big man? Oh, man. Oh my god. Don't say. See if I drink more water. Any more water, Mr. Wilson? morning. Good morning. Good morning, Essie. Good morning, Essie. Give mommy kisses. Give mommy kisses. Oh, not feeling well? Oh, good morning, Bear.
Good morning.
How you feeling? I know. I know, man. Alright. Want some cornmeal porridge? What you want? No, you have to eat something because you have to take your medication. Alright. Me I figure out something for give you. Cool? I figure something for you. Alrighty. Guys, look what I saw. Oh my god. Yes, look there. Look there. Pan me and my neighbor tree. Yeah, me and my neighbor tree. See, see the line here? Our tree. Oh my god, look at it. I'm so happy. I son them really say it's like them now beer, you know. I mean I say God they need for beer because it's so expensive. You buy them on road, but look at this. Me I say all kind of little diddy baby one round here. Oh God. Jesus. Me happy. I am so happy. Me I pick a couple leaf to make some tea for Roger. Guys, you know this. Soursop is just as good as chemotherapy. That's what the researchers say. So we're gonna continue to, drink a soursop juice and make tea with the leaf. But now I pick the leaf from the other side there. Seeing that she's reproducing. Oh God. Jesus. We'll land. Avert your eyes. Avert your eyes if you are like, squirmish. If you're squirmish, okay? Don't. Me just tell you. Warning. Avert your eyes.
Musically type.
Eh?
Musically type.
Yeah, man. It's a coffee. One. Nick. Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Let's see. Swell. Hot?
It smells bad.
It smells bad. It smells bad for you. But that's why you have to clean in, okay? If you don't clean now, bro. Hush. Ooh. Wait for the titty pull it now. Titty pull.
Ah, the gods.
Okay.
The paddle smell horrible.
Are you right, Nim?
Look at them.
Oops.
So we can musical bit.
But I like that one I didn't put pan in. You see the other one?
Yep.
Yeah, I like that one. Alright. It is the time.
I do not.
It's a steroid.
Give me the Victoria's Secret sauce.
What?
Give me Nuit Blanche.
The what?
Nuit Blanche.
The Nuit Blanche?
Blanche.
What we want it for?
Squeeze.
Just pour something? Okay, that would there that help you through it. Oh well, squeeze my thighs, squeeze my leg. Daddy did work.
Which one I give me time?
Which hand? Pick a hand, pick a hand, pick her hand.
Can we take a last?
I don't remember the last one. Which one feels strong? Like this is Anya are the power hand, this is Anya are the Hulk hand. That one?
No, the one they are early, like I last.
I last one I get it one. Alright, come.
Hold on.
You can take it in your bottom. You want to take it on your bottom?
Mommy, stop. Mom, stop, like, please.
But you can take it on your bottom.
Mommy, that's the last time we get
Alright,
it.
you don't want it, that's
the
all.
thighs are hurt me.
Alright, you know what in your thighs, you know what's in your bottom. Come on, bro, come on.
Alright, wait.
Shake off yourself. Shake off.
You know what this one?
Look over this and just turn aside. Look so.
Tell me my bottom.
Me know me not put in your bottom for your hand, I say you just look so.
You know, I need to wipe off my hand first.
No. Reggie, me pull it already. Come on, we can't waste the time.
Why we couldn't do yourself?
Every day we go through this. Every day.
I think you're on the bed good enough.
Me don't find the bed good, man. Just turn.
Mom, go back and go sleep.
This I go send you right back. You gonna bust up the perfume? Eh, bro?
Mom, go. Ah.
Hush. Hush. Shake it. Shake it.
Can't shake my hand.
Hush. Hush, Baba, hush. I'm gonna lay down. I make it fast, you know? Let's make the fast. Eat your orange. I'm gonna get the.
Finish it.
I'm gonna get his fast up tea. You finish it, the orange? That orange, I finish it. This orange, I finish it. You're supposed to suck out orange till the belly left. Come, get the orange. Now we get the soursop tea and forward back. Cool. And we gabapentin and the antibiotics left. Come Ace, here I go. Carry this. Carry basket, yeah. Let me carry juice for you. Go on. Go on. Come. Come on, may I carry your juice? Bro, you're supposed to be getting some sun. You're sitting in the shade. Go over a little and get a little sun. The vitamin D, that's what we came here for. Oh my God. Okay, thank you, Ace. Thank you. Here you go.